Want to build your vocabulary systematically? Let's explore how to manually add words and watch them transform into complete learning resources. I'm here in the Words tab, your personal vocabulary headquarters. Tap that plus button to start adding words you want to master. This is where the flexibility shines. You can add a single word like a base, or go ahead and add multiple words separated by commas if you have a whole list to work through. Don't forget to add tags. They're your organizational superpower. I'll tag this as SAT since it's perfect for test prep, but you could use business, academic, or whatever fits your learning goals. Hit add words and watch the magic happen. In just seconds, Vocabularyyy processes your word and enriches it with everything you need to truly understand it. Now comes the best part. Tap your newly added word to explore its complete profile. You'll find crystal clear definitions that actually make sense, real world example sentences that show how it's used, and translations in your native language to bridge any gaps. This isn't just adding words to a list. You're building a personalized learning library where every word comes with the tools you need to master it. Whether you're prepping for the SAT, expanding your professional vocabulary, or just curious about language, this manual addition feature puts you in complete control of your learning journey.